Welcome to Lesson 7. Let's go ahead and watch the cartoon. You're gonna like it.
Logan's wife Margaret left home early to avoid heavy traffic on her way to work. She was planning to do the laundry before leaving, but she didn't have enough time, so she asked Logan to do it. The day passed quickly. Margaret is on her way home, hoping that Logan did what she asked him to do. But unfortunately he didn't, because he had a lot on his plate. He had a big online gaming tournament, which he lost anyway. So Logan had a lot on his plate. It means that he had a lot of work to do. Now prepare to practice. Answer my questions aloud and very quickly. Does Logan have a wife? Yes, he does. What's her name? Her name is Margaret. Did Margaret leave home late? No, she didn't. Did she leave home early? Yes, she did. Did she leave home early in order to avoid heavy traffic? Yes, she did. Why did she leave home early? In order to avoid heavy traffic. Did she ask Logan to do the laundry before leaving? Yes, she did. What did she ask Logan to do before leaving? She asked Logan to do the laundry. Was Logan free all day? No, he wasn't. Was he a little busy? No, he wasn't. Did he have a lot on his plate? Yes, he did. What does it mean? It means that he was very busy. Let's try one more time. What does it mean when I say he had a lot on his plate? It means he was very busy. Did he do the laundry? No, he didn't. Why not? Because he had a lot on his plate. One more time. Why didn't he do the laundry? Because he had a lot on his plate. He had a lot on his plate. He had a gaming tournament. He was very busy.
Now let's learn our second idiom. Watch the cartoon and you know the drill.
Big Finger Incorporated is the company that produces teddy bears. Yes, these small stuffed bears for kids. Their business was going just fine until recently. Kids are now using tablets for toys more and more because they say they can download any kind of toy or animal on it. So one day, all the top managers of Big Finger gathered to decide what to do about declining sales. They were sitting there for the whole day, but they failed to come up with any ideas because they were all too busy browsing social media on their tablets. When all the pizza was eaten and when their tablets died, they finally decided to call it a day and continue their hard work tomorrow. So they ate all the pizza they had ordered, their tablets died, and they decided to call it a day. To call it a day means to stop working. Now let's have some speaking practice. Answer my questions aloud and as quickly as you can. Is Big Finger a company? Yes, it is. Do they produce tablets? No, they don't. Do they produce shoes? No, they don't. Do they produce teddy bears? Yes, they do. What does Big Finger produce? Big Finger produces teddy bears. Have their sales been going up lately? No, they haven't. Have their sales been going down lately? Yes, they have. Do kids today prefer to use tablets instead of teddy bears? Yes, they do. What do kids prefer to use instead of teddy bears? They prefer to use tablets instead of teddy bears. Is that a problem for them? Yes, it is. Did the top managers of Big Finger try to come up with a solution to their problem? Yes, they did. Did they order pizza? Yes, they did. Were they sitting and talking about their problem all day? No, they weren't. Were they browsing social media and eating pizza all day? Yes, they were. What were they doing all day instead of solving their problem? They were browsing social media and eating pizza. Did their tablets die eventually? Yes, they did. Did they eat all the pizza they had? Yes, they did. Did they call it a day before their tablets died and they ate all the pizza? No, they didn't. Did they call it a day after their tablets died and they ate all the pizza? Yes, they did. What did they do after their tablets died and they ate all the pizza? They called it a day. Again, what did they do after their tablets died and they ate all the pizza? They called it a day. What does it mean? It means they stopped working. Again, what does it mean when I say they called it a day? It means they stopped working. Call it a day means stop working for today.
So let's call it a day and take a rest. See you in the next one.